Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Amazon Music error. So let's get started. So if you have the Amazon Music player error, you can fix it. It's a very easy process. First of all, you will just open here. Okay. So from here, you can just to continue. Here I'm doing continue with account. Okay. So when you will open and if you have the error in the app, okay, for example the playback error, that mean that occurs when you don't have the Amazon Prime sometimes. Okay, and major of the time it's app issue. So to clear that issue, you can just sign in, re-sign into the app, or you can just clear the existing data or clear the caches of the app. If you have any question about this, let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. And thank you for watching.